Okay, first off, excuse how dirty the motor is. Actually, the whole truck is. I was off-roading the other day and I haven't cleaned it yet. So there's that. But anyways, here's my hood support rod. Plug it in up there. It goes down here. But as you can see here, it flops around. Ever since I've had the truck, that has been missing. So it's just been loose in there, flopping around. So today I 3D printed this. We're gonna go ahead and try and install it right now, see if it works. I haven't even tested it yet. So hopefully this works. I'm gonna press this in there. And aim that in there, and over, and voila. So it snaps in there. Comes up here. Let me get my fancy prop out of here. Wait, this is falling. I don't know how I'm going to do this. We'll see if it works. Pull this out. Yeah, I didn't think that through very well. I'm holding the iPhone with my hand. Okay. There. I just plugged it in. Anyways, there's that. And that won't rot around anymore. 3D printed that little part. I printed it in TPU, so it's flexible enough to go into the hole. I tried printing it in PLA, but it was too stiff. It wasn't going to flex into the hole there. So, it should work good. Go ahead and take it back down. It's plugged in. That's there. Hood closed. All right, thanks for watching.